respect, I invite our chief guest, Dr. R.V. Nadagowda, Associate Director, UR Rao Satellite Center, ISRO, Bangalore.
I would like to salute all the teachers in this hall, not only all teachers in this hall, all teachers in the country, and my dear students who have assembled here to celebrate week-long Jnana Deepa Habba. ಜ್ಞಾನದ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿ ಅದ್ರ ಹಬ್ಬ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಟಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಹಬ್ಬ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಲಿಬ್ರೇಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಈಸ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್, irrespective of your caste, creed, religion, region, nothing will matter if you have that attitude to get into and completely involved in your activity and pursue your activity. Whether it is education or when you go to work, anything is possible. Nothing is impossible.
So I want to ask, isn't it better for ISRO to be completely self-reliant, or are the collaborations with other space research centers just as beneficial for our country?